World 101 back for yet another video. I'm going to be reviewing some food. I'm going to review this time microwave cheeseburger, Fast Bites. Got this at my local dollar store. You know, I've always hated, not really hated, but I don't know. I honestly don't know. Let's see what happens. Let's see how good it is. People like this stuff, believe it or not. So let's see how good this microwave cheeseburger is. Okay, guys. So I microwaved my cheeseburger. Let's take a look at that. I just thought this would be a cool thing to review. Let's eat some. That's not so bad. Very soft. Well, the meat is at least. Yeah, the bottom bun is a little hard at the end. I think I'll call this a poor man's cheeseburger, even though I'm not poor. Well, not diehard poor. Yeah, it's okay. I mean, like I said, for a microwave cheeseburger, it could be worse. So I give microwave cheeseburger a 4 out of 10. Hope you guys enjoyed that food review. Stay fly, Jess World 101 out. See you guys later. Have a good one.